Hello, welcome to another episode. This is the dustiest beanie you'll ever see today. So we just showed you guys the dash. And now we can show you this whole side without being embarrassed.
Right, we're always shooting that way.
I know, always shooting this way. Now this is embarrassing.
Needs a lot of work over there.
So let's get to work. So we made a beautiful little cabinet in our last video. So now we're going to put her together and hang her up. We just have this. We're going to make a shelf up there, and then we're going to hang a console. And I think we might like do a little bit of accessorizing just for shits and giggles.
How cute it is.
It's gorgeous.
Y'all don't have to buy things. Y'all
You
can
don't.
just make things.
I personally will never be buying another piece of furniture in my life.
Absolutely not.
So love that storyline for us. That's fab.
Just gonna be...
Are they gonna go flat?
Yeah. I think so, yeah. Be gentle. Gentle.
Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. I'll wrap the fun around this wall here. Woo!
In case you're wondering how we're doing this, we're bolting it in to this piece of like plywood that was already here and covered in this vinyl, and there was also this hole right here, so I'm just sticking my hand in here with this little nut and we're bolting it to the wall.
Thank God for that hole.
Thank God for the hole. One more person says that to me today. Just kidding.
Okay, ready.
Thank God for these tiny little arms too of mine. These skinny little model arms. Big elbows though.
Big elbows.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Wow.
Well, that really
Look what just happened. Yeah, way better.
So cute.
Not to be shiny.
How good this looks. So this is the console table that we bought to replace the fireplace. We thought it was pretty cool and eclectic looking. We bought some new hardware because these could be improved, and I don't know, this finish is like really perfect. Sorry, there's a dog barking in the distance, whatever. But yeah, this finish is like a little too flawless, so we're gonna distress her, heat her up a little bit, make her look a little more vintage.
That looks really cool, actually. Huh?
Yeah.
Screws. Wow. It's just really turned into something.
Ta-da!
Everything.
Our first upcycling project, pretty much. We rescued these old pallets from the side of the road, and we're gonna create like a little spa cedar planked wall in our bathroom. So we're really excited about that. It should be really cute. Always happy to find recycled materials and use them however we can. That was kind of our original idea, and we ended up buying everything new out of convenience.
So we really just needed to put this camera down for a couple of days and focus on getting the bus done. And I'm so glad that we did, because we got it all done in a couple of days. I'm just gonna walk you through, give you a little mini tour, and update you a little bit on what we've been up to. Can't say.
Oh, there we are.
So the first thing we did was add these beads. So stunning. This gives it a really like vintage, hippy dippy kind of element, very vibey, right? This is like a little vintage embroidered thing that, I don't know, my mom gave me. So that was like a really perfect spot. We got our beaded chair cover, which, you know, kind of matches our door frame beads.
Massage.
Yes, gives you a little massage when you're going over those speed bumps. So we added a little succulent garden. These are all like desert flowers, so you know they can bake in the sun and it'll be fine. I think eventually, you know, when we're a little more invested, we'll put in like a more legit sort of like herb tray, you know, that's
Yeah. With little cubbies.
yeah, iPad for guiding us around the world. You saw us put up this medicine cabinet. That was really fun and cute. As far as our lighting goes, we didn't want to do any crazy recessed lighting that was like scary and intimidating if anything broke one day. So we just did a really simple lighting situation by putting up string lights. This is just like a curtain string light. Like it's one string and then has like several strings coming down from it. So we just tucked it up there. We really like how it's just sort of camouflaged in with the stringy curtain, just kind of like recessed and subtle. Up here we have these 4 matching baskets that will just hold like oddities. As you can see, there were these 2 like massive holes on either side of the bus that had speakers in them. So we found these matching medallion mirrors that just hang one over there and one over here. These lanterns we had in the house, so we just added them down here. They're actually candle holders, so we can put little candles in there. So cute. This is our Berkey water filter, which is really simple. You just fill the top and gives you like 2 gallons of super delicious water at a time. Obviously, we loaded the place up with plants. We had to do like the vines going across the ceiling. All natural ivy that we foraged from the woods behind our house. We just have 2 large baskets up here that will be Velcroed down. Those will hold like cups and plates, basically. All of these pillows are new. This blanket was a gift from my mom for, I think, my 30th, or maybe my 29th, who knows at this point, or cares. Console, we added Velcro to the back of the doors, so they're like super steady in place. Pretty little rock and crystal collection. Have a little basket full of books and other oddities. Plants, of course. These panels we made from just burlap and this, what do you call this trim? Ball trim.
Bauble
trim. So simple. Honestly, we robbed this girl's idea off Etsy. because we didn't want to pay like $100 a panel or whatever it was. So really cheap alternative, really simple. Just throw it over here if you want like that kind of vibe. Just like vary the look, you know what I mean? Simple, cash, eclectic.
We were going to put a saloon door
Oh yeah,
there,
let's talk about
of like major installment, and
Ooh.
That
Yeah,
was
I have
bad.
video footage of it too, so I'll put that in here now. Oh god, it was so stupid.
No, it's
so embarrassing. It's like an ice cream cone slash
The whole
child's play house. Like something that would be on like a playground or something.
or like a Whoville set.
Yeah, it's like what the fuck am I doing right now? So we scratched that and decided to go with a much more simple, just like fabric panel sort of situation. Another thing is we added
Oh yeah.
our countertop extension, which that's been sitting there since we did the kitchen, so that was just like so nice to get like crap like this done. There's more counter space than we have in our house.
It actually is. We'll be doing a lot of cooking.
Yeah, step on into the bedroom and bathroom. Oop. First thing we added was this wooded panel. Before we had one of these tiles up here and it was just kind of like
Kept falling
floating
off.
there and it kept falling off. Oh my god, it was so trashy. So took that down and made this really nice little wood panel to match our bathroom. We decided to make this little changing station. Super simple, just traced a cutout of the tub and you can just like sit here, floss, talk while someone lays in bed, hold my hair back while I puke in the sink, whatever the case may be. We can also like fold laundry here. I don't know, I just thought it was nice to have like a little sitting station. Maybe we'll eventually add like some pillows or something.
Yeah, it makes that tub functional.
Yeah,
when
exactly.
It's not in use.
Super simple, just like a nice little cedar plank, spa vibes, couple hooks, you know, for towels and robes. This is just eucalyptus that we foraged. The lighting in here is not exactly permanent. We still have to figure out like a cute lighting situation. But this is essentially what it'll be. Yeah, just like a string light, Edison bulb style. This crystal dish head, oh my god. We went through it all to get this because the original top, the spike was way too high.
It was very dramatic.
Yeah, to fit in here. So we ended up buying like 2 or 3 different crystal dishes. And then we ended up finding this at a thrift store. It was slightly too small. So we just got some like piping, some plastic piping and just made it a little wider.
And it sticks now. So don't think you have to find the perfect size, y'all.
Yeah, exactly. Just to make it work, you know?
Wow.
This is such a vibe. Oh my god. Carrying on with that panel, we just kind of threw them up over here as well. When the breeze is coming in and these are blowing, the wind, it's just like very vibey. We love it. We love it. We bought a new comforter. It's like a green velvet, but it's in the mail. We'll have that shortly. Pretty much the gist of what we'll have permanently here. And we added this table so we can just wake up, open up these doors, put a cup of coffee or a laptop or whatever, and have a nice little table right there. What else, babe?
I think that's it.
I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and our little bird feeder here.
They've been eating?
The little bird feeder, we put it right out the window so we can lay here and see if anything happens. There's a little nest in this, like wall. It's so crazy. They put it like inside.
It's in a little cave.
Yeah, so we put that little bird feeder there for them. So that's pretty much it as far as the inside of the bus goes. Only thing left to do is remove all the decals off of the outside. We were gonna paint the bus black, but we just decided maybe down the line we'll do something creative with it. Other than removing the decals, we have to install the solar, and then we have a checklist of just like little things we have to do, you know, like resecuring a couple of things, blah, 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 blah. We're set to hit the road within like a week or 2. So that's the plan. We have a tentative date of May 11th, so we'll see if we can actually get out on that time. But yeah, we have a date with the DMV, so all of that bullshit. But yeah, we should be hitting the road very soon. It's been an amazing 6 months and a very interesting journey.